Hi, it's your girl Karen, and for those of you who don't know me, my name is Karen Wilkins and I'm a network marketing strategist. Today I'm discussing how to use Instagram to generate leads with your blog posts. Now I know that's a misnomer because Instagram is strictly for pictures and your blog post, well, that's about a whole bunch of words, but it can be done. It can be very effective. You just have to be creative. So let me tell you how I do it so that maybe that'll help you a little bit. But since Instagram is a social network that's used almost strictly on mobile devices, you have to have several apps to help you pull this off. So here's a few that I use. I use an app called Studio. Studio allows you to pull pictures in and write and be able to write on them. So basically with Studio, I will write on a picture my site address and my site tagline so that people will know when they see that it came from me. Okay, now I'll use an app called InstaQuote. What I do is I'll skirt the internet looking for quotes that are congruent with the theme of my post or my blog post for the day, and InstaQuote will allow me to rewrite that post. Now I always reference the author because you don't want to get into not doing that, and if you don't know the author, just write unknown, but don't try to act like you're the author. Be honest when it comes to this because this can be very effective for you. So InstaQuote will allow me to rewrite the quote and use nice background for that quote. I save that quote and then I upload it to Studio, where I can now write at the bottom of that picture my site address and my site tagline. Then I use an app called PIP, which allows you to take your pictures and put them inside frames that are very creative, like a magazine. It'll make your picture look like it's a magazine cover, or it'll have a bottle that you can put your picture to. It'll make your picture look like it's inside a bottle, and several other ways that you can creatively prop your picture for the day. Well, I'll take the quote and rewrite it in InstaQuote, put my tagline and site address on it in Studio, and then I'll upload it to PIP and make it look like it's part of a video frame. You get what I'm saying? You can get really creative. So I make certain that I have 3 or 4 pictures that I'm ready to use that is congruent with the theme for my post. Then I use Canva, which is a program that can be used both on the computer or on a mobile device, but I basically use it on my computer because that's where I'm going to pull a picture up or upload a picture that has the theme or is congruent with what I'm posting about for the day. On that picture, I will write my post title, and at the bottom I may or may not use my tagline, my site tagline, and my site address. Save it, and I save it in Microsoft's OneDrive, which is a cloud-based app. Okay, now the reason why I use OneDrive is because OneDrive, you can save you can save documents, videos, pictures, posts, and there's a sundry of things you can save. But what's really exciting about OneDrive is that you can actually use it anywhere, anytime, on any device. So I have my 4 pictures that I've creatively manipulated so that they're congruent with my post. They have my site address and my site tagline on it, and then I have my head image that I've just created in Canva that also has my post title and my site address and my site tagline, and now I'm ready to go to Instagram. I take the 4 or 5 of them and I will post them throughout the day on Instagram, making certain that I'm using the tags and the categories that my post has. Okay, those I use as hashtags, and then I'll write a short summary about what my post is about when I'm using the image from my post. I get people to engage and interact with me, and before I know it, I've generated leads. I'm generating something like 30 to 40 leads a week, and that may not be a lot, but I just got started and I'm getting more and more creative every day. So if you want to use these tips and techniques, feel free to do so. If you have some that's even different than these and you don't mind sharing, go ahead and leave a comment below and share those tips with the rest of us. We're all looking for ways that we can be creative and we can set ourselves apart from everyone else. So I don't mind if you use any of my tips or techniques. Tomorrow I'm going to be sharing with you how I post my videos on Instagram. That's going to be a lot of fun. So I know I'll see you here tomorrow. I will see you back here, same time, same place. But in the meantime, you stay safe, have a wonderful evening, and bye for now.